Hello, my name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Today I'm going to take you through a brokerage listing. We have a Sea Ray 2023 260 SLX outboard version. Very well equipped, very lightly used, in nice condition. We have about 50 engine hours on the single Mercury 300 V8, recently serviced for its annual servicing. We have the Sea Ray Blue Classic hull side color with the large SLX logo along here on the side. Very sleek looking boat. As I mentioned, very well equipped. Starting here along the back, we have trim tabs and underwater lights. As we step aboard, we have the sea deck package throughout the entire boat. So transom sea deck and cockpit sea deck. Starting here in the back, we have a nice lounging area. We do have the aft sunshade, so as we pull on this top, this extends to give you some additional coverage from the sun. We have stereo controls back here, cup holders, USB charging outlets. We have a teak boarding step leading you to your spacious cockpit. As you can see, all the upholstery and sea deck is in really nice condition. We have two tables. We have a cockpit table, which would drop right into that insert, and then we have a bow table. Just below that insert, you see the battery charging system. Nice seating here along the starboard side. You have an area that you can store fenders, dock lines, but you can also put a cooler inside that slot. Lots of storage underneath all the seats. On the port side, we have a vacuum flush head. Beautiful helm area, all touchscreen electronics, digital switching, fusion audio, Mercury digital throttle and shift, Tech switches, again about 50 hours on the engine, stainless steel windshield all the way around. Leading you up to the bow, very spacious bow seating, windlass anchor, freshwater washdown. This is the power tower, so tap of a button gives you better clearance going under a bridge or for storage. This entire top goes down at one level rate. It'll keep going all the way down to the windshield. Give you protection from the elements, whether it may be the sun or the rain. Again, this is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax and Stuart, standing aboard a new listing, a 2023 Sea Ray 260 SLX. Very lightly used. Feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to set up a showing. I'll tell you all about the boat. 561-635-6811. Thank you for watching.